Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to schedule dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, on devices with OLED or AMOLED displays, dark mode can help conserve battery life by reducing power consumption. Dark pixels consume less power than bright ones, so scheduling the dark mode to activate during periods of extended use can help extend battery life. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Okay, so here select display option, and then tap on dark mode settings. Well, and then turn on this option. After that, you will find two options, whether if you want to set it according to the sunset to sunrise time, or if you want to set the schedule according to your preferences here. After finishing, and then click done. Well, that's the tutorial on how to schedule dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.